Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you fix YouTube TV not loading on the device. So if you are facing the issue of YouTube TV not loading on device, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and active data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to use it. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, try to change the network. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi, make sure to use the data of your phone, or if you're using the data, simply tap on the Wi-Fi button and make sure that you connect to a strong Wi-Fi. And after that, make sure to open the YouTube TV and try to play some videos. If that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to open App Store on the device and you just need to search YouTube TV on it. So open YouTube TV and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. So if there is any kind of update available for the app, then make sure to update it to the latest version which is available, because that may also be the issue that you are not being able to use the YouTube TV. And if any of it doesn't help, then you just need to simply lock press the YouTube TV app and click on the option delete app or remove app and simply reinstall it again from App Store or Play Store on your device. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the issue of YouTube TV not loading on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.